Hi everyone, so this is Concrete 9, which is the compressive strength of concrete. So in this test we have our cylinders. So for this test we require 3 cylinders, and we have to crush all 3 cylinders and see what load they fail at. So this is the compressive strength machine. So you would have this plate applying a load on our cylinder, and it's going to slowly apply the load until the cylinder cracks and fails. And the machine is going to output 2 numbers, the force at failure, and since the machine knows the cross section of our cylinder, it will also output the stress value. And then so this is the strength of the cylinder, and we're going to compare this value to the specified strength of the concrete of our application, and it should meet the requirement. So we're going to start this test by loading the cylinder. So now I'm going to start the machine. So now the plate is slowly applying the load on our cylinder, and it's going to keep increasing that load until cracks form on the cylinder and fails. So as you can see, the machine is slowly increasing the load being applied to the cylinder until it senses failure. So as you can see, after applying the load, the cylinder already cracked and the machine stopped applying the load once it sensed that the cylinder failed. And our failing load happened at 273 kilonewton, which is around 34 megapascal. So the 34 megapascal, that's our stress and the strength of our cylinder, and that's the number we compared to the specified strength of our concrete application. So that's just one cylinder. We need to crush in total 3 and take the average of that, and that becomes our overall strength of concrete. So the compressive strength test, it's a standard test that's done after 28 days from when the concrete is casted. So you demold the cylinders the very next day, and then you leave them in the curing room, and then after that you would have to crush them, all 3 cylinders.